So my Rose come downtown and watch her. Girl, walk and lift me, you know. Yeah, they, what kind of style that? You look at walk and go away so. No, you can't move so fast. But you don't even know which part you walk. See, when you walk with a woman, you don't know where you go, and them things you reach you.
I know where I'm
Never say you don't know where you go, you know. You say, when me don't know, when you're a man, you don't know where you are go. And you walk with a woman, you just have to follow her, because you don't know where you go. I saw we man make woman leave you astray, you know, you don't see it. Because look at me, you know, I don't know where I go, you know, and I walk behind, and when she go, I left me still I walk, I turn back and go my yard. And yeah, Tower Street right now, which way I go? Straight? Yes, sir, Rosie. How long now you come downtown?
Tablet on sale, phone on sale, TV on sale, check out price.
over 5 years.
Price is reasonable.
Over 5 years. Oh, so you're young to the thing then, man.
Young to the thing, yeah.
Yeah? Rosie. You move so fast, man.
That got me a set.
You know how you for me, you know? Oh, see you lah. Thank you, mommy, alright? Like the sun I get to your head, shall dash with it. Like the sun conquer people. Jaja God.
Sun lick a chip.
Sun lick your chip to your heart with it. Bashko. Feel what?
The sun.
Oh, the sun is burning you. Yeah, the sun hard car, watch her. I just start walk and watch her. Yeah, soak. It's crazy. Big party I go on down here, so. There I go. And see waterfront there. What them call it? So Ocean Boulevard that.
You pay that $500 tax, you know, the joggers.
Ah, the tights.
Yeah,
I'm just sitting outside. So, which part we are going now?
we're going to the Crocs store.
Alright. Which part of the Crocs place then? Eh?
Hello.
We go straight up the road we go?
Turn left, yeah.
No, we never see that before. So, we are going to the Crocs store, see if we get one Crocs. Obviously. Eh?
Like when you have the clocks and have the sign for the clock, that the one with the little symbol on it.
Babe. Yeah. Yeah, one of them. We have many. Crocs.
Over here, belly band.
Yeah, doctor. They work in a hospital. And they mostly wear it. I don't know. All of a sudden you see
But
something
remember, you know,
become
Crocs and
trendy.
doctor and nurse usually wear Crocs first, you know.
That's true.
What do you think about this?
It's up to you, my love. What makes you feel comfortable?
The Saturday deal, no walk in and check out every store, stay alone. We sell all things today.
You say I look back where I do. Eh? You like that? No, really.
I want a small bag. You can't like a big bag.
See how they are choose that? Yeah, so I just left downtown. Yeah, but overall still, downtown is a nice place and you can get almost anything you need down there. Like clothes wise, house wise. Everything there downtown. The way you couldn't think you need. Yeah, but still, the living down there grimy though. Grimy. Like, look, I'm observe the condition. How even the people them who sell down there and all of them things there. It's like grimy. Some things where you see down there as in like living condition. It messed up, but the greatest thing, the people them down there, them don't make that bother them. Them just know say yo watch and them have a task and them have work to do and them have to get them things sell. So them make do with what them have. But yo, the thing grimy, man. Grimy. Yeah. So what have to say, Rosie?
Sun hot out there.
Yeah,
and the
sun
road
hot.
grimy for true. But me used to downtown, me know I saw the things set up down there. So me, you know, in the mind frame for walk and forget sunburn and all of them look something they was expecting.
But I feel say yo, the thing could have organized better. I know say yo, it's not easy like how we might have think of it, you know. But I feel like it could have organized better.
Yeah.
As in like structure it where things can flow. But things are flow same way. As in like people are go about them business same way. The street just look a bit tight and crowded and them something. But everybody live and do what them have to do same way.
I feel like today crowded because yesterday holiday and most of the place them closed down. People just grab what them can grab because Monday a holiday again.
Yeah.
So you know most places are gonna lock again. So you have some people who just grab one and two things what they need.
Yeah. Yes, right now I pass out of Riverton right now. So I'm showing you what I go on. Who haven't seen Riverton for years, this is it. God have mercy. They get tired already. Yeah. Now the gully turn land because the amount of dirt in the gully. Youths them play them football. So it's a Riverton community. All of this way I see right now, Riverton community. No? Yeah. When you drive go down one of them road here, you find the dump. But if you look, you see the garbage truck walk up outside. Yeah man, some of these garbage trucks are the ones that come pick up your garbage. So you have to go down that road here to get to the landfill. Yeah, but we are on Spanish Town Road right now. Yeah, Great Spanish Town Road. Heading to Mandela Highway. Yeah. You have a lot of business places on this side. But here is the community of Riverton. See it there? All over this side, Riverton. Riverton community. Tankwell over here, so it's an old Tankwell location, or original location for Tankwell. I think of this one, and then you have JPS right beside it and Petcom beside JPS. So yeah, this is it on Spanish Town Road. This is the view. Then you have the mountain in the background. You call up that side again.
Oh, already?
Yeah, we'll come to the end of Riverton. Don't you say Riverton too, but this is 6 mile though. Out here is called 6 mile. You have Alex use parts over there, and you have the roundabout. Yeah, there is some construction, but that is the roundabout that will take you back to Half-a Tree, Duane Park, Boulevard side. Yeah, and you have the river right here. A lot of people catch fish in that river, leading around that side. And that same river come over to the community down this side. You have a community down this side. Yeah. So you have a river run through that community. But the strangest thing in that community is everyone live up on the hill basically. So how the hill set, or how the hill is designed, or how they build a house on the hill, there's nowhere to drive your vehicle or ride a bicycle or a bike. So everyone have to park down at the bottom of the hill and walk, go up to their house. So yeah, that was strange to me the first time I saw it. I said, whoa. But big up to them people that live in that community there. I passed through there already. I wanna do some work. Yeah. So big up to them people there. So right now we are past overhead bridge and I go past Fesco on the left. Fesco is a new location. So at this location you can get your tasty spotty. Obviously you can get gas car, Fesco, that is their main business. And they also have a mini mart. So here it is coming up right here. And on this highway the speed is 80 meters or 80 miles per hour, I should say. So this is it. Nice design. Yeah. And I love the design. But this is Mandela Highway. Mandela Highway, and we are cruising. Rosia, press gas. You see, pure empty land over this side. Yeah, you have one and few people live over here. I think maybe people live back that side. One and few people, I'm not sure. But you have a small road somewhere right here, so you can drive and go around. Town busy and congested right now. The place hectic, amount of traffic will come out a while ago. We have to fight. Fight for reach us so. Yo. We'll come out right here now. Finally come out right because why?
The lady rough.
Yeah. So right now, I'll show this whatever the name again. Anyways, we are going to Kingston side and then round to the roundabout. So we are past Kingston. Kingston, you know, famous Kingston. See the train line here? Sorry, train line. Train line, this is what I say. Yeah. So the famous buildings them here over here. So what you call them? Housing scheme building. What you call them again?
Apartment building.
Apartment building, but that may I try. It's another word may I look for. Yeah. So I pass through the great Kingston.
The front part of the
I wish the whole light fire, big fire and I run about this stuff. Yeah, you have a river here, so it's run through Spanish Town. You with them swimming night. Yeah man, so look at river for youths them, cause really and truly adults don't really swim in night like that. No, I mostly youths them. Yeah, so reach roundabout people. This is a roundabout. Smoke and blaze up on the traffic to go back. My gosh. We go drive back to Spanish Town. Drive back to the Washamania. Yeah, myself.
What the hell when you can't walk out?
That may I say, I really think man, sometime one day for that people I say, I'm gonna go on the road like them I say, leave me now. Leave me now. Yeah, like that them I say. But the thing is, if the person is supposed to lick you, you know. I'm not supposed to lick them, but what if the person decides that they're going to lick you? You can't stand up to the vehicle.
Exactly.
You see it, so it don't make no sense to push out yourself and not act like say the person can't lick you or whatever. Them not supposed to do that still.
What if them not see you in time? You must say.
Yeah, you push out yourself and you get licked.
I must say pedestrian can rank to you and just drive alone.
Yeah.
So when they analyze the actions, then we see who of all, no pedestrian man and they you're not supposed to cross there.
Yeah.
And then based on what you just say, the lights would have dip on green or something like that for the car them dip on blue and you are cross during that time. You're wrong this so I too wrong that. So it all depends too.
Yeah.
It all depends. Cause you have sometimes the driver can't see from afar and they decide to look at me now stop or what.
Yeah.
People weird, you know. People funny, people different, people
wicked everything.
So
Yeah.
anything
Can you have some chop man too?
yes,
Where through them vehicle big, yeah, them drive up on you or push them chuck on you. So that seems so one nearly run me off. Two different occasions, if I say. Yes, one at a time. The man there over the third lane, you have 3 lanes and the man up on the left lane, me in the middle lane. And the man, all of a sudden the man just start come over part, the man drive past me, you know, halfway. And then start cut cross for me. You can't tell me say you know see me because my vehicle the only vehicle, I'm there in the middle and you drive past me and go halfway and then cut cross for me. I say, some of them people are crazy.